The Wind e-bikes. We knew the Komodo was coming out about 2 months ago, and it just arrived on Thursday. Nathan, we earned his business without seeing it, just going on what you saw online.
Yeah.
This is Nathan.
Hi.
Thank you for doing the video.
I appreciate it. I'm very excited for this bike.
So it's better than any of us expected. You're going to see a ton of videos on these because, like you were saying, the Ultra B from Sur-Ron, everyone's like, Sur-Ron, Sur-Ron, Sur-Ron. Okay, cool. They've been around a little longer, but when you actually look at price versus components, kind of kills it.
Yeah, it does. It's absolutely massive. You know, that the 21-inch rear and the 18 back. You know, the Sur-Ron Ultra B doesn't even come with that, and you know, I'm very excited to ride this thing for sure.
It's a really clean look.
Yeah, it is super clean with the gold shocks in the front.
Can we see you on it? You haven't even sat on it yet.
I haven't even sat on it.
Okay, there we go. Okay, I'll take that. Comes with a huge charger, 13 amps. So this thing will charge up in like 3 hours.
This is nice.
Oh, yeah, all the guys sit back so far on it, but I guess that's how it is.
Especially doing a wheelie, yeah, you want to sit back here.
Okay, turn it on. Oh, I love how it has this.
Yeah.
Like the,
if you fall off,
shit, I fell off tab.
Come right off.
Yeah. Okay, so Nathan's first ride, because I'm suspecting it's going to have the 3 modes like the MX-5.
Wait, okay.
Then you've got, do you have your safety over here? Right there. Hit the start.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Eco's ready.
Yeah.
Eco, sports.
And
high.
H and high, yeah. High in red.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, there he goes. Yeah, Nathan's not a small guy. Are you just on Eco?
Yeah, this is just
That's just Eco.
This is just Eco. Honestly, this thing's really torquey. I don't even want to put it on high in this parking lot.
MX-5, I wouldn't even go there. Yeah. I wouldn't even ride it at all.
This is really torquey. It's going to definitely take some time to get used to. I'm more of a scooter rider.
Yeah, what do you have now?
I have a Dualtron Ultra 2, and this is a big upgrade from that for sure. And you know, I ride around Toronto a lot, and I need to keep up with the boys. I got to keep up with the times.
You're going to kill them.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for sure. I really appreciate everything.
Yes, and then so also Nathan was going to buy from another dealer.
I was going to buy from Smart Wheel.
Okay,
and and you know, they were charging me an extra 1,000. They wanted 10,300 out the door, and you know, Jolene right here, she hooked it up, man. She got it for 9,400, and yeah, saved me a lot of money.
We just charge what the manufacturer tells us to charge.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's not. We don't.
It really made a lot of sense too. You know, those guys are kind of just putting prices on the items out the door. Everyone's trying to make a little bit of money. I understand, but no, yeah, $1,000 is a big difference. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah, it's not like we're discounting, giving things away, but we're like, everybody deserves a fair price, and we do a lot of volume, and then you're happy, and I know that you're going to tell everybody, and then word of mouth is what we work on. So I have a feeling Nathan's going to be talking a lot, and and his friends are going to be really jealous.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, thank you.
No
All right, give us another little go.
Go on S mode.
S mode. Oh my God! Oh. Well, doesn't that just say it? Oh my God! It gives me butterflies watching you. It's too much. Too much. Thanks again, Nathan.
No problem.
Look at the front disc on that too. Oh. We'll do a comparison when you see them. This thing's just wicked.